Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to change your profile picture or profile image in chess.com. Of course, you need to be signed into your account. And once you are here, I want you to look at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is going to be where your name is. This is your profile. So I want you to do is to click this profile option here, like so, and you're going to be brought to this page. This is going to be your profile page where you can edit profile. You can see your daily games and your game history and so on and so forth. But if you want to change your profile picture, it's very easy. Just hover or move your mouse to this default pawn icon and you're going to see that it's going to be grayed out and this camera icon will be popping out. Now, this is pretty much the similar thing or the same thing to social media like Twitter, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, where you hover your icon there, it's going to show up. So all you need to do is click on the icon, the camera icon, like so, and it's going to open wherever folder you want to get your photo or your image from. For example, we're going to use this smiley face photo and click open. And as you can see, it is now loading. And there you go. We have changed our profile photo in our chess.com profile. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.